Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can see how many hours you've played on Roblox. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So by the way, the first thing that you will have to do is go to rawpro.io and then you will go ahead and click install on Chrome. And once you've installed this extension, what you will have to do is go ahead to and click your look for roblox.com. So make sure that you've already logged into your account, and what you will have to do is you will basically just have to verify the extension, and it will by the way, it will make you play this game, and then you will just go ahead and you will copy your verification code and then you will paste it here somewhere. So yeah, it and after you verify it, I will just basically go to your homepage, and then here you will see your most played game. So make sure that you have the current version of Raw Pro user verification so that you would be able to actually see your most played games and how many hours you've played them. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.